Alright, this is the puzzle box I made for my brother's wife, Jennifer. Easier than his, but this is how it goes. So it looks like. Some gaps in it. Right there. Ends of it. And those gaps right there are to throw her off. Those aren't real. This is where you start at. There's magnets in there. And one in the very back there. There's also one right here. One on the door. So it goes. It just slips into place. And it's pretty, it doesn't wiggle. It's pretty good. You open it up. Labeled, of course, halfway there. Set that aside. Next one, you look around forever. You see that this drawer, you know that this thing must slide out, but you can't move it. It's tough. So you go around right here. Everything else is pretty tight. Nothing's going to move on you. Right here, pops out. Magnet again. And then that'll slide you open right here. And gift certificate inside, of course. It's cash because I don't want it to expire. There was a real one if it takes me that long because I'm not going to help them. I included a letter that says, you ask for help or break it. I feel like, yeah, I don't appreciate what I did for you. So they have to, it's forcing them to, and to solve it.